So let's start the review of that Ego tutorials, right? So we're going to review all these things, and I make the store. You can see here from tomorrow, and here's the link of the video. You can see to make this kind of store, how you can make this much pretty expensive store just for free, and actually it's lifetime free actually, right? So and today we are going to discuss about all this stuff, all these things. So let's start the video right now. That's my sales thing. Here you can track all the orders. Means if someone orders you, this all this shows up here. And abandoned carts means if someone reaches to the checkout page and they just abandon the things, means they have something wrong happen and they just quit the checkout process. And here you can check it out, right? And you can mail them again, and you can say please fill up your delivery and all this, and you can offer some kind of special coupons and something like, so they make this purchase, right? That's what it is. And by the way, you have to do the it's not available in the free version. You have to just upgrade it to the plan, which is about just $10 actually, right? Next is customers. So how much customers, their emails and all these things comes here. So you can, it's a perfect thing, right? Order editor, it's also available for you can say upgrade pro version, right? Next is catalog. Catalog means you can understand by this is products, right? All the products here you can edit them, right? You can export products, but it's not for you. You can import, delete products, bulk updates, advanced bulk editing, and all these shits you can do, size and everything. And here it is, you just click it on, and here's the product page, right? With this you can add your own product images here, name, and how much units you have, SKU weights, and all this stuff here that you can put some kind of things and add a bit in product subtitle. I think that's not available for you actually, right? Or you can do this. No, it's not available in the free plan, and it's the paid plan, right? It's $15 per month, $35 per month, and $99 per month, right? This is perfect, I think, right? If you want, then if you don't want, then free is, according to me, the free is the best plan you can ever have, right? With this. Next, if you visit products categories, you can go here. You can put some kind of categories like clothing and accessories and all this stuff. By the way, in free plan you can just add 10 products, right? I again mentioned you that, but you have some kind of advantages here, add-ons. You can add a gift, you can give them gift cards, right? So you can increase the purchase revenue of you, right? By the way, if you have an Instagram influencer channels or something like, and you have a YouTube channel, you just have to put the link of this website for free, then this works perfectly for you, right? Next is marketing. You can make marketing on Google. You can promote it on Facebook. You have to just link this from Google, and when you search something on Google like best you can say tables on Instagram, something like, and then best tables on Google, just you write it best tables to buy in 2021, and you find some kind of products or tables in Google shopping page, right? That you can add through this here, right? And you can promote on Facebook. Facebook has a new place you can, if you know that, the Facebook marketplace, right, where you can sell your own products, and you can link with it through this. And if you don't want to link it with this, you can also have, if you want, I make on the video, please tell me, right? I make a video on Facebook marketplace, which is also a great place, and Instagram marketplace is also booming right now, I think. Next is you can abandon carts, convert sales, discounts, offer discounts, and all. Visitors remarketing means this customers comes again, and this is perfect and crucial thing. Google Analytics. You can join this website with Google Analytics. Means this it directly connects with Google. So when someone connects you, you just have to put some links here from Google Analytics. I will show you if you want. Please tell me. I will make this video on also for you, right? So what happens here is when someone comes, and the Google knows everything, right? So it doesn't tell here, but it tells on the Google Analytics dashboard that how much visits this site is getting, what are they are getting from phone, from tablet, from PC, whatever it is, and how much the cost is and everything, right? From where demographics they are coming from, everything, right? Which pages they are visited. Means they tell you every single data, which is very useful for you, right? If you know that most of your sales is coming from India, or India it coming from a particular state, or it's coming from US, and US from it's coming from this particular state, so you can give an offer to this particular state, right? So you can increase the chance of conversion rates. That's how it works. And if you want, I make a video on conversions and ladder frame, something like. If you know, we provide some kind of ladders, means you can go, we provide first upfront products, then bigger product, then bigger products. That's called like funnels, right? If you want, I make video on that also, please comment me below, right? I think it's perfect thing, right? So let's say you can market on Facebook, mobile channels. You can see it, there has only his mobile apps which you can do this, and a Facebook, it's one for Pro, and other channels. Other channels means where you can sell. Here you can see Instagram, right? That's what I'm saying yesterday. Here you can directly check out. You don't have to go to the website. You directly check out on your Instagram page on that particular post. You can get a checkout, right? And how it works, right? Here you post your product on Instagram, offer a seamless shopping experience, grow your reach. You just have to add best product images. This works on Instagram, right? And here you can see you can sell on that's Facebook Manager, means on this what I call Messenger, right? And then Google Shopping, as I tell you, Google Shopping is a perfect thing. You just enable it's also it's free, right? You don't need to upgrade your plan, right? POS means point on sale, means if I meet you in person, you can just have and check out, right? It's like this. You have a phone, the app in it. You just put the increase and then swipe the card, they pay the bills, and that sale is recorded and registered in your CRM. So which will help you in determining the customer data and customer analytics, right? That's why it's perfect. You can go for eBay also. You can, as you can see here, eBay is perfect actually in United States and other sites. In India, it's not more popular, but eBay is great. And Amazon is the giant. You just have to upgrade for that, but it's perfect, right? You can directly sell on Amazon, right? You don't have to do anything. And next is design. Design means the look and layouts of this thing, like this products catalog page and image ratio and all this stuff, right? You can just what you have to show, what you don't want to show, right? Product name if you don't want to show, price if you don't want to show, and all this stuff, right? Next is payment. How you receive the payments. There are multiple options for payments, right? There is pay by cash. You just can enable in cash on delivery type of system, and then Stripe. If you are from United States and other places, the Stripe and Square is a perfect place for you, right? Good. And actually, that Stripe, that Square cuts 2.9% and plus $30 per online transaction, which is very huge. I recommend this for you, right? Stripe. And if you don't want to do this also, then PayPal is also, which is a genuine platforms, and you all know, right? That's the best choice for you. And you can say manual payments. If you can add your own payment systems also here, right? How you if you have some kind of bank account, you want directly transfer in it, you can just write it down here and say give me that transfer. And if you have huge products, then we do this kind of things, right? Means you have $10,000 product, $50,000 products, and all this stuff, right? Then we have they have multiple things to check out, Afterpay, American Express, Bank of America, and all this. How you can add payment injection, and all these are the payment gateways, right, which you can use to get the payments in directly on your bank account, right? Other ways is also there is here. There's many payment things, right? WordPress online payments and all this, right? Wallet, cards, service. If you have any country, Ecwid is perfect for you, I think. If free version, I'm saying, right? Next is shipping and pickup. So if you have, here's a UPS, FedEx, and all these big shipping companies is also a partner of it. So if you want, you can just add them and just right local delivery services. If you want to know someone, you can do this. And self pickup means the customers with this. If you have a shop there and just if the customer can pick it from your own shop, just add this thing, right? And by the way, Ecwid's free platform is also work for restaurant, right? Open an Instagram account and just put some kind of things, and it will work on restaurants, right? Put some food, and there's I will pick up it first. That's all, right? You can charge handling fee and everything, but it's for not for in this feature. It's for free. Now in settings, right? It's a huge thing. Now you can store name, and that's the websites and company name. You can put in, and you can fill the address. You can fill all the social media platforms here, and storage open, setup wizard, and all this stuff, right? Regional settings you can do. You can means currency and all this stuff, right, from where you are. Next is this checkout processes. What do you want to display there, right? Hide out the stock products, define checkout settings, and all this stuff, right? Okay, compare to price, product list, and all this stuff, right? Here it is. Next is analysis, where I tell you that Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. By the way, if you don't know what Facebook Pixel is, I tell you that like if someone visits your site, right? This site, if someone visits this site and they have some kind of issue and they just left the site, right? Then Facebook Pixel captures that, right? If you have Facebook Pixel on your site, it captures that, and that then you can add those peoples on their Facebook page, right? When they're opening their Facebook and running it, right, like this, you can show them, right? These are just running like this. You can show them that okay, I just forget something, and here it is. Like you just shows your products and your company, and then wow, there's a big company, because you directly just went on your website and you show them on Facebook. It increases your chance of buying that product 50%, because who knows the reason why they left that shopping experience, right? Next is Pinterest tag, which works also same. Snapchat pixel and Google tags. All these works same, right? No issues at all. And the consumer banner and all these things. And app market. If you want to add some kind of customized add-ons and something like, there is an app marketplace for this, which you can app store type, Apple Store or Google Play Store, right? Like that. Here you can shipping, products, and all this stuff, right? There's marketing apps, store design apps, drop shipping apps, catalog order management, accounting, stop, shipping, analytics, supporting, customer support rewards, and tools. All the type of tools is available here, right? In a free and some paid. Let's check it out. Drop shipping, right? If there is available something. By the way, who don't know drop shipping is a platform, right? Printful is a t-shirt design platform, right? T-shirts, clothes, cups, and all this stuff, right? It's for that. It's free actually. So that's all. And if the last thing, if you have an followers and something kind of thing, and you want to promote Ecwid, here it is. You get 20% commissions, right? And the link in the description for that particular here. This link of mine in descriptions, right? If you join through affiliates, I don't get any kind of cash until and unless you upgrade your program, right? So if you want, please make site on this Ecwid. If you are comfortable with free, I actually recommend you for free, right? If you are comfortable with free, do it. If you make some money from that and then you want to go for the paid version and like it, then go to the paid, right? Link in the description. In free version, I don't get paid any kind of commission, so don't worry. Don't worry that I am doing some kind of sponsorship or this kind of shits. It's completely for free, right? It's my honest opinion, and it's free, and I tried it. That's why I'm saying, right? I think you got all the things, and if you have some kind of questions and something like, please comment me below and tell me what I should do. I think that's all for now, right? Bye bye.